How to enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enter estimated tax payments in TurboTax. For this, you want to open up any web browser and head over turbotax.intuit.com. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, the first thing you want to do here is click on the search icon. Now, here you want to search for estimated tax payments, then click on that option. Or you can also click on the option of deductions and credits from the left-hand side menu. Now, you will find the estimated tax payments option over there. You will find the federal estimated taxes, state estimated taxes, local estimated taxes. Now, these options will help you narrow down where you are applying to. So let's say that you want to apply for state estimated taxes. You want to click on the option of start next to that. And from here, you will have to answer a couple of questions. Go ahead and answer them and enter all of the details required by TurboTax. After that, you will be able to provide your estimated tax payments. So in this way, you can provide the necessary details in order to enter the estimated tax payments. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.